Ya Mustafa, Ya Rasulallah, salamun alayk ya Rafi' al-shani wa darahi. Hasbi Rabbi Jallallah, ma fi qalbi ghayrullah. Nur Muhammad sallallahu la ilaha illallah.
The only amal has no judgment is muhabbat. Allah Azza wa Jal, no way to judge love, because love can be small and love can be great. And even the grain of a mustard seed, Allah Azza wa Jal will count that love. That spread my love into these lands, spread the love of Sayyidina Muhammad into these lands. That don't stay quiet and say no Mawlid and no spreading of love. If we stay quiet, the zulumat is spreading. Allah. It's a time for us to awaken. We raise the flag of Sayyidina Muhammad and we say we are ashiqeen, and no way to stop ashiqeen.